So my good people, go to the Jamaican night, Jamaican Reggae Fridays, each and every single Friday. Go to tag along, tell a friend to tell a friend. That was Electric Sandy alongside MC Fosi, Splendid Ali Bounce. Introducing the mysterious duo, Selector Ziggy, MC Malebo. Ziggy.
Never tell a lie, baby.
Alafu Ziggy ongeza mawe.
Yes, I love you.
Ongeza dimanga Ziggy.
Never tell a lie, honey. I do love you.
The mysterious duo, Ziggy, Malebo.
Girl, I never tell you lie.
Cause
I love you.
Valentine's Day
I
yo.
never make you cry.
Valentine's Day yo.
Cause I love you.
Iti mkutano.
Girl, I never tell you lie.
Cause I love you. Pretty girl.
And I never make you cry.
Yeah, in a DJ yard.
Cause I love you.
Soulfa Lounge Friday night.
If you need me, baby,
Selector Ziggy.
I'm right by your side. You can count on me. I'll forever be your guy. Hey. But baby, slippery. I need to make you slide. The sea may be rough, baby, and you could find low tide. But girl, I never tell you lie.
Cause I love you.
And I never make you cry.
Ziggy, yes.
Girl, I never tell you lie.
MC Malebo. Cause I love you.
And I never make you cry.
Pretty girl, yes.
I
So one morning in a morning light, she looked as sweet as she could be.
But when she said
She'd made me, but now she is gone. But now she is gone. She's gone, she's gone, she's gone. She broke my heart for another guy, and she broke
my heart for a fella guy, for
another guy. A guy you on the crest.
Come again. Kwenye ruti za ma introduction, the mysterious duo, it's a good familiar. Girl, I never.
So one morning in a morning light, she looked as sweet as she could be.
But when she said
she'd made me, but now she is gone. But now she is gone.
Jambe.
She's gone, she's gone, she's gone.
Aliniambia nichague Jaba
She broke
ama nimchague.
for another guy.
Sio unaona niko wapi?
My heart for another guy.
Tuko wapi?
For another guy.
For another guy. Ziggy.
A guy you on the crest. The information has been leaking so far.
Check. I just wanna. Yes, it reggae music. That's all I need. I just wanna get some satisfaction. Dogo janja. Iya ni ya kwanza. Wale wasisha basi. Aluta na muzi lazima ibambe. Chekwe. Yeah, best of the willing souls. Satisfaction. Yeah, tuko na Selector Monkey na kazi. Larger pictures. Because I just wanna Ziggy. Yeah, Valentine's edition. Valentine's edition. Check, 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 check. Waiting on.
Hey baby, well, I'm sitting on night time,
waiting on.
Morning, I don't close my eyes, but feeling so haunted.
Sitting on.
Night time,
Yeah, the feeling so haunted.
morning,
Where is Gustav usually?
for a better time.
Still waiting.
When it's dawn, yeah. Girl, since you're gone, I don't sleep away.
Yeah, sitting out on a night time.
All I do
Is
I just sit here and baby, I waited you return, yeah.
sitting on a night time. Ziggy, the mysterious fool. Check, check, check. Yeah, Ziggy, my limbo. Tonight.
When you're blessed and you're rising on to trample upon the poor,
You got to.
pride come fall.
Yeah, after pride comes fall.
Remember, respect and be humble as you enjoy your gains.
After pride comes fall.
After pride come fall.
Wanazinali. After pride comes fall. Jambe.
After pride come fall. Pick it, don't forget it. After
Pride comes.
fall. I know you're busting cause you're rising on to be down the poor. After pride come fall.
Yeah, tuko na selector stepper. Wagwan stepper. Selector yodo. DJ Miatan.
Bigger than Goliath with the mighty strength, but a David come fall.
Tuko na unsi bunti kill.
You're powerful like Pharaoh, cannot let your people go, so the plagues come fall. Hey, ooh, your mankind don't forget, no. The power and the might you get that from.
Yeah, MC Bunti killer.
Oh, your
Large up
mankind
excess.
don't forget, yeah. You wait for a season, then you come tumble down. You're blessed and you're rising on to trample on the poor. After pride come fall. Remember, respect and be humble as you enjoy your gains. After pride come fall.
Yeah, cleanliness is godliness. You got to have clean hands and a pure heart. Ziggy. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, what Ziggy? Reggae. Reggae, reggae, reggae. Reggae. Excuse me. Where Billabong, I went for a
walk in Central Park in the city
of Umo. Two criminals want to
take away my girl.
I had to reach for me water pistol. Again, yeah, a bit is a bit tune. We come again anytime, anywhere. Selector Ziggy, MC Malebo, that bring you up on a Jamaican night. Yeah, Selector Agustino.
I went for a walk.
Welcome, my yard.
Back
In the city of Umo. Two criminals want to
take away my girl. I had to reach for my water.
cook your gun. Reach for me. Took on a baseline.
American, they are
Wagwan baseline.
and them no check fit, no yard.
Salimia has now.
Two
Criminals want to
take away my girl.
I had to
reach for my water.
took on a house na hashim same way. Lots of exes. Ziggy yes, 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 yes.
Money in my pocket, but I just can't get no love.
Tonight, I miss some money in my pocket and
I just can't get no
yeah,
love.
Farouk, lots of exes.
I pray
Best of Dennis Brown.
a girl to be
Yeah, Dennis Welke. I'm money in my
She
pocket.
coming, but I don't believe a word.
Hey, Jelly boys. I'm money.
Ran away and left
Yes, we need money.
one away.
Way back belly.
She made me get in mind that her love would never
Ziggy, you get Zakia.
Now I'm alone, yeah, so alone,
On get Zakia easy.
alone, yeah, yeah. 3-6 is the sign of a fool. Money in my pocket, but I just can't get no love. Oh no, I said the fence now hold.
Too much money not depend. We can dance, we can dance.
The fence now hold.
Tonight,
Too much money not depend.
yeah, the mysterious duo. Check we.
The mark of the beast is on a president.
I got to. You got to.
Fence now hold.
Too much money not depend.
Round the bend, manifesting supernatural force. While babies with
Yeah, Ziggy.
shed tears for food to eat their
Yeah, Ziggy Malebo. Check we.
Ethiopians calling. Show your African pride.
The mysterious duo.
Fence now hold. Too much money not depend. I said the fence now hold.
Was she prettier than me, baby? Or was it simply fate that she came along that day, baby, and then took you away?
Yeah.
I'm still
In love with you, girl.
That ain't no lie. You took all the love I gave you.
Ziggy, come again. Yeah, select Ziggy again. Good to be Jamaican nights, Jamaican reggae. Each and every single Friday.
Was she prettier than me, baby?
I love the Ziggy nilisemaje.
Simply fate
Valentines,
came along that day,
Waluya mziende ushago.
took you away.
Is your holiday.
I'm still in love with you.
Mziende ushago Waluya.
That ain't no lie.
Valentine's your holiday.
Took all the love I gave you.
Yeah.
You still made me cry. Oh, such sweet memories of how we used to be.
We bilabong
Thought they hurt me so.
Valentine's.
Deep heart and deep
Waluya mziende ushago.
love has no meaning to me.
It was it something I did.
Was it something I said?
Yeah, OG Master,
Feel
la
the
job.
way you do. Can't you tell me what's wrong? Was my loving too strong? Darling, what am I to do? I can't help dreaming of being so very close to you, my love. I wish my dream was real. Now I'm alone. You have to run away.
Check. I need you. In the meantime, I'll watch with you. Anyway, Ziggy, what you mean? Pick up blocks just because you're a Rastaman. Oh, what you?
It's just because
I'm a Rasta man.
It's just because
You're a Rasta yalla.
the city council against our
Yeah, it's the Peter Brooks.
become a scorner to them.
Just because you're a Rasta man.
And despised by the heathens. It's just because I'm a Rasta man. It's just because
I'm a Rasta man.
It's just because I'm a Rasta man.
Yeah, a ballet
It's
Rasta.
just because I'm a Rasta man.
I'm a ballet Rasta. Check it.
Take the right.
Tonight,
And then they fight with all of their might.
the mysterious duo.
Lies and they scandalize. It's just because
I'm a Rasta man.
It's just because I'm a Rasta man. It's just because I'm a Rasta man. It's just because I'm a Rasta man. Ooh, oh, yeah. It's just because I'm a Rasta man.
The rich man, poor man, beggar man, thief. Everyone claim that they man the chief. The rich man buy the poor man's life. The poor man take away the beggar man's wife. Don't cry,
My brother, don't cry, my sister.
Steve's won't clean the sin, the sin.
Ziggy, press play again. Yeah, we come again anytime. The gladiators, the rich man, poor man. So don't you cry. Yeah, hold on tight. I'm easy.
The rich man, poor man, beggar man, thief. Everyone claim that
Yeah,
they
took on
man
our
the chief.
bus.
The rich man buy the poor man's life. The poor man take
Good here,
the
Farouk.
man's wife. Don't cry,
My brother.
don't cry.
Yeah, cause everything nice.
The skills won't clean the situation.
Everything
It's just
easy.
a form of reaction. Yeah, if you step on fire, fire burn you. You play with puppy, lick your mouth. So stand up strong, you got to know where you belong.
You got
The
to.
weak ones now,
Where
will soon become
Ziggy?
strong. Hey,
Everything will soon be.
okay.
As soon as the war is over.
The children will be free to
Come over.
singing and dancing. Ready
Yes,
to take
yes,
over
yes.
as
Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Ziggy, Malibu, Soulfa Lounge, tonight. Sweet reggae music. Yeah, it's getting better.
Matter what the time,
No matter.
whether you dance with the boy called Johnny.
Yeah, doing dollars.
You model with the girl called Matty Fairweather. You should have seen we are bubble together.
Born in the
Year of 53.
My mother was a-
glad I was a boy baby.
so she gave I the name MC Malibu.
Up to 83 they never
Ziggy, oh, not you are.
can see I am a boy fancy. So that's what the key operator for me. Salute and
What's a good year trainer? Each and every single Friday, this is how we do it.
matter what the time,
No matter what the
whether you dance
with the boy calling Johnny Kelly.
Tella, you model with the girl called Matty Fairweather. You should have seen we are bubble together.
Cause born in the
year of 53. My mother was so glad I was a boy baby. So she gave by the name
OMC Malibu.
Up to 83 they never recognize me. But now you can see I am
MC,
a Jamaican.
check.
So that's what the key operator.
Yeah, you got to recognize him.
Salute and water pumping.
Check.
Christmas carrying.
Pull it like deadly. Check. Ziggy. It's getting better. It's getting bigger. Tonight, I want you know.
What let me do the things that I did for you?
Yeah, take on a OG master.
Little girl,
I want you know.
I must be really going crazy for you.
Where DJ Prince?
Your love
Jenny Valentine's.
is all I need to get me back.
Wapi Mboa Prince?
Your love
Jenny Valentine's surely.
warmer than the summer night.
Wata kujifanya ujui. You are love. Your sweet, sweet love.
There is no words that could express what I have got in mind. But if you do believe,
We select how you do. Kwani rada.
I really love what you are doing to me.
Sini Valentine's.
Your love
Wapi mtoto Shirley?
is all I need to get me by.
Umeamua ni jaba tena. Your love is all I.
And the summer,
Where's Ziggy? Check me.
Why don't you be Why don't you be
singing about your love is all I need to get.
Every time you kiss me, I'm still not certain that you love me.
Oh baby.
Every time you hold me, I'm still not certain that you care.
We my suspicion.
Though you keep on saying you really, really, really love me.
Oh baby.
Do you say the same words to someone else when I'm not there? Oh, with my heart, keep on support. Why don't you me? Every time you call me and tell me we should meet tomorrow,
Oh baby.
I can't help but think that you are meeting someone else tonight.
Yeah, it's a big people music.
Why should our romance just keep on causing me such sorrow?
It's some sort of oh baby.
Why am I so doubtful whenever you are out of sight?
We kilasa.
Oh, with my heart,
Uko
baby,
my suspicion.
keep us apart. Why don't you me? Darling, if you love me, everybody knows that you're no good.
Yeah, everybody knows.
You never treat me like the way you should.
Kila mtu anajua. Everybody knows. Yeah.
I never fall in love.
Again.
I shouldn't give my heart to you. Why did you do
Ziggy, wakembeshe basi. It can't be broken by as sweet as I'm so in love with you. I don't know what to do or what to do. Oh, sad son, we come again. Ziggy, si pia wewe umeona, sio wewe peke yako una mpoa, si pia wewe umeona, mko wengi, uko na Oti, uko na Prince Faruk hapo na Jabake, Walbuz hapo na Ginero, si wewe umeona. You are not alone. Because select a switch will large of exist. To go select a Sandy. Somewhere. Check. Anyway. Yeah, mysterious duo. Tonight,
Like princess every day, you have this little
smile on your face, pretty girl.
It's a pity you don't know. I got test in your face. Oh no,
My suspicion.
good thing I know of your little plan.
Wait, no rushing.
Seems you really wanna capture the heart of every single man.
Best of the cool ruler.
No way.
Sing ahead. No rushes.
No rushing, and I can play no rushing.
Wait, no bojanza. No rushing, no rushing.
No rushing from
from me, girl.
Hapa kistaarabu.
No rushes,
No rushes.
not a play, no rushes.
Tonight,
No way,
I'm busy. No rushes.
no rushes. No rushes from me, girl. Things I used to do, I ain't gonna do them no more. Oh no, not gonna let every girl I meet knock upon my door.
Yes, I want.
No rushing,
No rushing.
not a play, no rushing.
Yeah, no rushing.
No rushing, no
Select
rushing.
Fazigi, Malebo, DMC, check me. Oh, what's it you? Use me though. We can dance.
You not go use me no more.
We can dance.
Let me know for sure.
You not go use me though.
More.
That we know for sure.
You not go use
Ziggy,
Let
again.
me know for sure. Time has changed.
Check.
The table has turned. You not go use me no more.
Yes, we take the music.
You not go use me no more.
Reggae.
You not go use me no more.
We take the music.
Let me know for sure.
You not go use me no.
More.
That we know
Let me know
for sure.
you not go use me no more.
Yeah, each and every single
Let
Friday.
me know for sure.
That we know for sure.
Time has changed. The table has turned. I'm not your convenience anymore.
You not go use me.
no more. That me know for sure. You not go use me no more. That me know for
Yeah, Valentine's edition.
Living in number 10, number 12.
There's a girl next door.
Living on open street.
Yeah, Ginger Williams.
The boy next door. Sitting in my bed.
Oh, what you do? Looking out the window.
Just wanna see him as he passes by. Oh, why won't you stop and why? I'm in love with the
Boy next door.
I'm in love with him. That's
Yeah. He's my next door neighbor.
And I'm in love with him.
Yeah, took on a big man.
Next door neighbor.
Ulo shisha ule.
And I'm in love.
Shisha a thousand bob only. Courtesy of big man. Legend exists big man. A loot on a bush. That's my birthday, Ziggy.
Living in number 10, number 12 is the boy.
Yeah, the mysterious duo.
Living alone, open street. I'm in love with the boy.
DJ Ziggy MC Malebo. Sitting on my bedroom. Looking to check.
Wanna see him as he passes.
Hey Ziggy. Ongeza gia.
I'm in love with the boy next door. I'm in love with him, that's for sure, yeah. He's my next
Ongeza gia Ziggy.
Sunrise till sunset.
You brighten my Gustavo.
You are a part of
My well, anyway, kings and queens, each and every single Friday, hosted by Kingston Entertainment, Gustavo Iniako. It's sunrise till
sunset.
you brighten my Iruda. You are a part of
my life. Ooh yeah, sunrise till sunset.
you brighten my day.
You are
Check. Ziggy.
Them always use one of us
Two.
bring us down.
Yeah, mysterious duo.
Them always use one of us to mash us down. I tell you, all it takes is
Shut.
licky licky one,
Yeah.
and it takes
such a chatty mouth.
To reveal that is secret about the vineyard. Boy, time you know where I'm going. In the Bible,
The meditation,
time you know
they go to use one of us.
in the
So
Bible,
to be wise, they always,
fill you up.
they gonna bring you down. Bobo clap.
And so they build you up. And so they bring you down.
Hey, Belly, they always.
Whoa, that's a running in a Babylon. Whoa,
Check.
always use one of us to bring us down. Yeah, man.
Birds follow spring like the sun.
I follow the rainbow. I have some people.
While others vow their essence of
Bilabong.
I know what the tree
Tukuna bang belly nakas.
while others say small.
Tonight,
Wise yesterday.
like today, follows tomorrow.
La 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 la. I know why some trees are so tall while others say small.
Yeah, white birds fly.
Wise yesterday.
Like today, it follows tomorrow. Akuna kulala, la, Ziggy. Akuna kulala, la la. Sleep is for the weak. The mysterious duo, Ziggy Malebo.
Birds follow spring,
Like the sun,
follow the rainbow.
jumping.
Now why some people see
My ear is sound.
others vow their essence of.
Tukuna select a monkey nakas.
I know why some trees are so
Enough respect monkey.
while others say
Select a switch there. What does today?
like today.
I follows tomorrow.
La 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 la
Ziggy.
It's a much better plan.
Where baseline. Sikunai up a bus.
DJ that do some fun.
Sikunai up a baseline.
All kind of things he's planting.
But not now.
The yam,
Banana and the pumpkin.
a lot of vegetables in the garden.
Yeah, Ziggy.
He's
Come again. Sweet reggae music.
racing up the land.
Yeah, each and every single Friday.
It's a much better
You
plan.
get to tell a friend. Last my bambi. I watch it do.
DJ that do some
Yeah,
fun.
naughty farming.
All kind of things he's planting. Like the yam,
Banana and the pumpkin.
a lot of vegetables in the
Hey, my
garden.
ganja farmer.
He's got to till up the soil.
We can dance.
To keep the youths them alive.
We can dance.
You know he loves it, I got
We
it.
select a Sandy.
The Rasta man of the
We can style.
DJ Lux planting up the cotton.
MC Fuji.
He's going up
We
the
can
bus for
style.
everybody.
We can style.
They travel over hills and in a valley
Tonight,
just to get
Hey,
the
Farouk.
decency. Coming straight from the I refuse is what is healing. I'm arming of the land. It's such a master plan. Everywhere we go in the one word world.
then I think I'm a win. Hey, Ziggy.
Even though them a fight I saw,
You're musically fit. Let's up.
I just a hold on tight
And we not let it go now.
now.
Yeah, we not let go.
If you go up down,
And we will. Yeah, all our east side, west side.
and if you go downtown,
And we will.
but them no want to see a prosper. Them just a cut down disaster.
Ziggy
The
unanim.
murder we judge from.
Ziggy. Malibu unanimada. Malibu unanimada.
A musical murder. Anywhere we go in the whole wide world,
Then I think I'm a win.
even though them a fight I saw,
Yeah, wala wa shisha basi.
I just
Atoza
go
mboko.
downtown and
Ana.
I let go. I just hang on tight and I let go. If you go uptown, I will move. And if you go downtown, I will move.
Remembering the days of 1912.
They started to
Fight for
their
the
life.
of the black race. He wanted to see justice. If Europe is for the European, then Africa is for the black people of the world. There was a flag of 3 colors. You know what I mean? Red for the bloodshed by the race. Black for the black people of the world. And green for the hopes of the race. No more kicking around for the black race. You know what I mean? No more kicking around for the black race. No more of that. No more of that. Oh no.
Yeah. Come, let me take. That's on my long time. Come, let me.
Come make me show you little motion, Mary Langton. Come make me show you little motion.
Yeah, let me teach you something.
Let me tell you something, Miss a gal. Come make me teach you something.
Let me teach you something.
About the little boy, them nowadays. Them a call
Where's Ziggy? What's on the Quibia city?
Tell them not trouble
About
you,
Mary.
because you have given me that.
Ule Mary moja, Mary ye hulamba. Mary has a long tongue. Mary ye hulamba.
Come make me teach you something.
Ziggy, let me teach you something. Let me teach you something, Ziggy. This Valentine's, you got to be wise.
Come make me show you little motion, Mary Langton. Come make me show you little
Yeah,
motion.
ladies.
Come make me tell you something.
Let me say, girl.
Come make me teach you something.
Let me teach you
About
something
the little boy, them know
about Mary.
them a call on no be.
What's on the Quibia city, Ziggy?
But tell them not trouble you.
Ukitaka boy Valentine's,
Because you have given me that.
tafuta Mary, sababu Mary analamba. Mary has a long tongue. Oh, Mary long tongue.
Come make me teach you something.
Selecta yodo.
When we look up in a Mary Langton face, water come from me high. When we look up in a Mary Langton face, water come from me high. Come back, Mary Langton, me say, girl, water come from me high. Come back, Mary Langton, me say, girl, water come from me high.
I've just got to know where I stand.
I've got to know where to, because with you, pretty girl. A penny for your keys, yeah, a penny for your touch, a penny for your keys. Kuna jina ya hiyo kazi. A penny for your touch,
Walking, holding hands.
a penny for your
Say
keys.
you're mine, oh mine. Then another heart steals your eyes away.
An elevator just for you.
Is it just a guessing game?
Oh, what you do?
I can't help feeling
Yes, I can help her.
love should be so
Oh, girl.
unconfused.
Anyway, Ziggy.
Meet me at the corner,
My sweet little baby. Tonight,
down your
Yeah, pale downtown.
And I'll be patiently,
Yeah, I'll be patiently waiting just for you.
waiting there for you.
Ziggy, Valentine's.
I said to tune in till I'm morning.
Ziggy, unajifanya ujui ni Valentine's.
Tune in now, my brethren.
Waza kujifanya Ziggy. Mimi najua unajua.
It like that.
Ni kulenga unalenga.
Like it like that.
Yes, I like it like that.
Yeah, I like it like that.
Prince.
So tune in till I'm morning.
Wacha kulenga Prince.
Tune in now, my brethren. Yeah.
Prince wewe tunajua. Ya last year hivyo hivyo.
How to groove me.
Ya next year hivyo hivyo.
I like the way you move.
Si tunajua we chunga sana. Yeah, so kings and queens. Sweet reggae music. Yeah, good to enjoy your time. Enjoy your money.
Meet me at the corner. Down your avenue, baby. And I'll be patiently, yeah, yeah. Patiently waiting.
Where's Ziggy?
So tune in till the morning. Oh, baby, tune in. No, my breath.
Big people music.
Well, the years have come
And the years have gone still
the Son of Man keeps a trotting on. Journey, journey on. Yeah, from innocence to experience, from dependence to independence.
You say Johnny. Yeah, Jimmy Cleaver.
Journey on.
Jimmy Salimia
Well,
Gustavo.
now I have loved and I have been
Jimmy Salimia
I
Gustavo.
have judged and I have been
Because it's a Johnny.
journey on.
Yeah, Wolbaga Legends.
So whether come or storm, there's a
Jimmy Cleave, rest in power.
time in all and all.
Rest easy. Johnny. Yes, it's a Johnny.
Journey on. Journey,
Yes, it's a Johnny.
oh journey.
We Walbus. You
And I never get,
never get.
never get weary. Yeah.
Tuko na magiri sound champe. Let's go.
Journey,
Ayodo, wagwana.
oh journey.
Selector stepper, skiza hii basi.
Never get weary. Yeah. I was captured on the bank of the carrying we used to be
So
so much in love.
lakini anataka maua.
Now you're alone without
My lover. Selector Ziggy, Malebo. The mysterious duo. They're bringing you up. Where we used to be in love. Lakini sasa anaitisha maua surely.
we used to be
Now she's all alone.
so much in love. Now
You're alone without her.
my love.
Where guys? Now you're alone without her.
My love. Oh, baby. Said you were true, and I gave my heart to you. Said you love me,
And you say, my baby,
I do.
yes I do.
We used to be so much in love. Now you're alone without
Where kuna hii hapa? Oh, we suffering.
Suffering, suffering,
Hallelujah.
Africa land,
And this is a universal calling.
all black men.
What will my people need?
My people need
A better medical.
my people.
Watu wa Chelsea wameshinda na wametulia tu. Ingekuwa ni Manchester, ingekuwa ni Manchester United,
Suffering down in Africa land.
Chelsea tumeshinda
This is a universal call.
na tumetulia tu.
All black men here.
Ingekuwa Manchester,
People need
a better medical.
attention.
My people from Manchester,
People need better education.
we step on Manchester.
Doesn't know
Do you know why you are suffering?
culture. Some doesn't know Rastafari.
Please, tumetulia tu na tumeshinda, tumepiga watu bao 4, tumeshazoea. Ingekuwa Manchester United, hey. She love her natty,
She love the natty dreadlocks.
Gatelo, that nigga. She love her natty dread.
She love the natty
Reggae,
dreadlocks.
reggae, reggae.
She can't let her mommy know.
Sweet reggae
And she
music.
can't tell her daddy so. Oh, cause they would be so mad. And they would be so sad. Hey,
I love her,
I love her. Whoa.
and she love
She
her.
love her, yeah.
Yes, I know.
Oh, I love her, yeah.
I got to, and she love
she love her, whoa.
pretty girl.
When she's walking on the street, all the boys said she
Look so
sweet. When she's walking on the street, all I can hear is psst, psst, psst. I love her, whoa.
yes, I love her, she love her.
Attracted,
Yeah, tuko na Uti Master,
I love her, whoa.
ule wa malebo
She don't get attracted
na respect.
to the sound, whoa, yeah.
Best Carlos,
Oh, yeah. Young girl, young
modern Carlos.
in love.
Check, 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 check.
Gimme your love.
In the morning,
Oh,
give me,
gimme your love.
give me,
In the evening.
give me.
From the first time I saw you, girl, I want.
Don Carlos,
I want to hold you, oh, yeah.
best of Don Carlos.
So come on and give me your sweet loving, oh, and I know, I will love you so. Oh,
I'll be shaking me.
give me your love in the morning. Oh,
Yes, sir.
your love,
Yes, sir. 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 We can dance. We can dance. We can dance. We can dance. We can style to the left, to the you see, no night for Arsenal.
There is no night there.
No night for Arsenal.
There is
Hey, jump here.
no night in Zion.
There is no way.
There is no night.
I was a Ghani.
No night in Zion. Tell my people beware.
And he say,
I was yarding on my journey.
Odi.
I can't afford to
Odi,
linger.
Odi.
Sun is shining, so make hay.
Yes, there is.
Now I'm a
Yeah, MC Bounty Killer, la job exists. DJ Miatana, the combat DJ, and this Yayada. And he say, it no. Check. Ziggy. Ziggy.
I'm treading this rocky road,
A Rocky. Yeah, Kenyan reggae.
My system gone overload,
Amazing.
overload.
Yeah, Kenyan reggae.
Riding this long panorama.
Stoneface priest. It's a rocky road.
on a rocky road.
Yeah, it's getting bumpy. You go to.
I'm treading this long on a rocky road.
Yeah, the tobacco love. It's getting bumpy.
I'm treading this long on a bumpy road.
It's a rocky road, a bumpy road.
My brethren them long gone down.
I want you to.
My sister and them long gone down.
I want you.
I'm tired, I'm worn out, I can't take
got
no
you.
more.
Yeah, Billabonga, the MC.
But still I must get to the
Chukuna Bang Belly. Wagwan, Bang Belly.
Riding this long on a rocky road.
Yeah, select Agustino Nadisha Yard.
Riding this long on a rocky road.
It's getting. Check.
Yeah, boy, you bring some of the good stuff for me now. A quarter pound of cali we a bring from the valley. No inform around, yeah.
Tonight,
We get the kush from the hill and a push it on the chalice and it's straight over California.
Ziggy, mysterious duo. Again.
Cyanide. Yeah, boy, you bring some of the good stuff for me now.
It's a reggae party.
A quarter pound of cali we a bring from the valley. No one no inform around, yeah. We get the kush from the hill and a push it on the chalice and it's straight over California. A quarter pound of cali we a bring from the valley. No one no inform around, yeah. We get the kush from the hill and a push it on the chalice and it's straight over Arizona.
Tune up in the mankush.
Give me a boom draw. I girl in a me whistle a hot that.
Catalona mankush.
Now left it shalwa. Give some to the youths in a the car.
Jump in the mankush.
Even though them settle
That's a
we
kikush.
still hiding on this
OG.
Katra. When
Setikitu.
the farmer we plant up the good sound. We get the kush from the hill and a push it on the chalice and it's straight round a California. A quarter pound of cali we a bring from the valley. No one no inform around, yeah. Push from the hill and a push it on the chalice and it's straight round a Arizona. In for me have to make a circle. Run a chop, I run a arch if you get the murder. Circle Africa, get some fit the
Yeah, Ziggy
Before you all, I spend my mic in my head.
Yeah, the local state and the federal.
You are unfair and you
No
do
book
not
lot,
get
niggas.
so well with your master plan. You said you were gonna fix the road and fix the light. Just wait until after election night. And then you took her vote and ran. You're an awful man. We're right back.
Took on a baseline, Jeffaro.
Oh gosh.
In local state and the federal.
To the commissioner and the governor.
Yeah, to the commissioner.
Local state
And the federal. To the commissioner.
and the governor general.
Yeah, my deep state.
So calm, charisma and charm, saying we were gonna get a
Reggae, my deep state.
You told us Mr. Changes, here you go.
Yeah, near my deep state.
Be more than enough.
Took on a Prince, the DJ.
It's a crime shame.
DJ Prince.
Cause every politician is the same.
The local state
From the Brady
and the federal.
of 4 more years.
The bumbo clat niggas.
Tears. Oh gosh.
Local state and the federal.
To the commissioner and the governor general. Local state and federal. To the commissioner and the governor general.
Select a monkey. Skiza ibasi. Chuda experience. What we do. Yeah, burning spear.
Cause a slightly environment, slightly environment. Oh, no one, no dead, no one, no dead, no one, no dead. No one, no dead, no one,
No why.
no one, no dead.
Yeah, took on a MC Posey.
No one, no dead, no one.
Skizai. Skizai. Skizai basi. I miss a place my room when I wake up early in the morning. I say a prayer before I reggae. mysterious duo. Ziggy, Malebo. This is what you know is. Place my room. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Today. Yani Faruku, uko na mademu wawili na uwezi nipea mmoja. I say a prayer na feel okay. Mtu ako na demu wawili haiwezi kupea mmoja swali. Katelo, you better Bibles. Baseline. Uko na mademu wawili swali. Nipe moja. In the morning I say. You better. Stepper. Stop being greedy. Mademu wawili ni wanini swali. Usipatie Zuchu moja. Zuchu, ongea na Mola, maybe atakuona. Bunzi, when I say a prayer and I feel okay. That's Kenyan reggae. This is Sarino Isa. Anyway, Ziggy, MC Malebo. When I found that girl, pretty girl, tonight.
My life complete, yeah. And when I find that girl, I swear, she'll be the one that comes.
So everything nice.
My love is in control of me, yeah. Would you be just one of my shows? Good love, it's almost like all of a no. Would you be in front of my face? Yeah. Good love, something that I wanna embrace. Yeah. Not a king size bed, but no queen to share it with me. Saying that I wanna know your name right now, right now. When I find that girl, I'm not gonna swear that girl will be the only one for me.
Oye Ziggy, leta ingine basi. Yeah.
All day, all night in the party. Everyone smoking sensemina. Let me side in another corner. Dinner did wedding just a rub with him data.
Yeah, Ziggy Malebo, the mysterious duo.
Bang, gang, bang, gang, 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 gang. Some a take him like a feed them dinner. Some a take him like a feed them lunch.
Check.
Some a take him like a feed them breakfast.
Yeah. I'm say, how I do them thing though? How I do?
Me say me love a fi me virgin girl. Me say me love a fi me virgin girl. Me really love her so. Me really love her so.
Yeah, eat your mouse.
Me love to see her when she walk.
Yes, we do them.
Fancy rock.
Things are going on.
Be me virgin girl.
In ready me virgin girl.
Me love to see her when I ear full of girl. Anywhere she go, people love her in the world. She don't worship diamond, she don't worship pearl. John ho, be me virgin girl. John ho, I be me virgin girl. Bawado them, them. Bawado them, them. I'm in the no, I'm in the no, oh.
Yeah.
I'm in the no, oh.
Where's Ziggy?
Giddy bang, giddy man.
Poa aliniuliza aje niuchague kati yangu ama rege. Siwe unaona niko wapi? Siwe unaona tuko wapi? Ati nichague kati yake ama nichague rege? Surely Amisi
You are a wanted man,
running away from me. What you running?
you are a wanted man,
You got to run.
running away from the police then.
Amisi
I know they want you to charge you
for sada. A shooting with it.
intent. Rapid back ovation,
As my brother.
also liquidation.
Yes, lift us. Everything nice, everything easy. So, it's a big people music. PPM, check we.
You are a wanted man,
Wait, champion.
running away from the police then.
Wanted man,
Wanted man,
why are you running?
running away from the police then.
Pale raunda,
I know they want you to charge you for
brother.
shooting with intent.
Pale raunda, pale.
Rapid back ovation,
Wait, as my brother.
also liquidation ball.
To enjoy your time.
Know what you gonna do
Soulfa Lounge.
after you done your answer.
Farouk, now what you gonna do?
Didn't you know they
Oh, how about to
catch you?
is liner
I know they want you to charge you
for sad. A shooting with it.
intent. Rapid back ovation,
Ziggy, unasemaje?
also liquidation ball.
Ziggy, unasemaje? Ati nikipita pale amise policeman, he don't run from the soldier man.
Don't run from the policeman.
Amise,
Run from the soldier man.
if you know that you're innocent,
Don't run from the government. Come on,
you don't run from the
policeman. Whoa, don't run from the soldier man. Hey, if you know that you're innocent, don't run from the government. Whoa, whoa,
Amise.
hey,
Oh. Yeah, wailing soldier, don't you run, don't you dare run.
sitting in a gang.
You know you're innocent, then why you running?
When all of a sudden,
Tonight,
they don't know.
Amise,
Man and man started to run. Man and man don't
yeah, Ziggy Malebo,
end up in
MC Pussy there, let job exist. Go to your memorial. You don't run from this, Amise. We kuna hii hapa basi. Are coming, better days are coming. We kumoka ina deadline.
Children, stop your crying.
Kumoka ina deadline Pussy.
Better days are coming.
Yeah, the better days are coming, so don't you worry.
I don't want to hear this same song again.
Well, Walbus, I told you so.
If I sing this same song, I might go insane.
Select a monkey, better get familiar.
Because from my small the same thing I hearing.
I told you better days are coming.
Are we going to have a better day?
So don't you worry, kings and queens. Ambition. My official anthem. Remember Maisha.
And as you know, it was just a while. As you know,
how the story goes. The more you live, the more you
know. Remember
where Ziggy. Come again. Official anthem. Maisha official anthem. Maisha kuna mna hii. Ziggy nilikuambia uko solo. Ona champe na jaba yake hapo. Jaba ya mawazo. Ana mpoa. Jaba ni ya mawazo. Shwali champe. Mambo gani? It was Panguza rusha. Panguza rusha. Sha. Sha. A lady, I miss. Maisha kuna mnaishi pembe basi. I miss Ziggy, yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, I am darling,
I love you, though you treat me cruel. You hurt me,
and you make me cry. I miss you. Yeah, tukuna hasna hashi. Select Agustino dear. Lights of Exes.
Because I love you so.
Where is baseline?
Don't ever leave me.
Tonight.
Say you'll never go.
Don't let it for my sweetheart. Yeah, there'll never be another one. There'll never be another one. Oh, Carola. Except you, Carola. So don't you hurt me. You make me cry.
I feel we're drifting apart, and that's going to break my heart. And it feels like our love ain't going to last.
Is there any love in your book? Is there a future for? You get to come to a decision.
You gotta come to a decision now.
One is never enough. Yeah, please rewind. We come again anytime. We play it once, we play it twice.
I feel we're drifting apart.
Where is Ziggy?
That's going to break my heart.
Kama sio balloon kutoka kwa mapua. Nikiongea na crushi. Hii Valentine's ungejua ujui.
Is there any love in your heart?
Kama sio kaballoon kutokea kwa mapua. Nikiongea na crushi.
Come to a decision now.
Ungejua ujui.
You gotta come to a
Decision now. You got to come to a decision.
Come to a decision now. It's not treat love like this.
We pia wanasenali.
Baby, let's not leave it.
You got to come to a decision.
Only want to try your
Hii season ama next season. We wanasenali.
I know it won't be a waste.
Come to a decision.
Baby, you
Ni hii season ama next season. You got to come to a labda mtakangi kikombe. You come to a decision. Labda tunawaforce.
we both are getting home. So please don't be so cold. Let's talk next time. Perfect my lord. So will you answer this question?
Ziggy, what you mean? Anyway.
Should we do what's right and just say it down?
Yo, Mr. C.
What did you say, Mr. C? I heard you whisper to me. Say night, turn out your light so we can see the sounds running through me.
Yeah, Mr. C, Eddie Lovator.
I'm here just like the tide, and I'm taking a ride.
You going
nowhere,
looking for
tomorrow.
Yes, I'm looking. Hey, I'm Mr. C. Yes, I've been looking, going nowhere. I know.
Hey, time, don't wait for me.
Tukuna MC Bilabong.
Take it slow.
MC Multi Killer there.
Things in mind.
Yeah, tukuna baseline de Faro.
My own time.
Upper Soulfa Lounge.
Hey, hey, hey.
I'm say hey, hey. Hey, Mr. C.
I'm here just like the tide, and I'm taking a ride.
Going
nowhere.
What's
looking for tomorrow?
I got to Ziggy. Ziggy. Hey, Sandy. He's up a mercy. It's getting better. Yes.
Ivan Michel Francis.
Amiche.
For short was he name.
Mental girl named Sherry.
A young and a sexy day.
Yeah, tukuna selecta monkey.
JA for Janice Ali.
Yeah,
just
let's
get she independent.
Walbos.
So Ivan Michel
Farouk.
Francis decided he go take a chance.
Amiche.
Tell she I
is for Iman. I am non-international. We apana so malebo. We sema malebo.
could help you financially.
Iman.
But when it comes
to the Eva.
She say Ivan don't see no
Ziggy.
The I and the M is alright.
Squeeze.
But it's the
when it comes to the I, it stands for Iman. But when it comes to the M, it stands for malebo. Apana so malebo. We sema malebo. We sawa.
Ivan Michel Francis.
IMF.
For short was he name.
Met
a girl named J.A. A young and a sexy dame.
Ziggy, I tell you something.
For Janice Allen, they just get she independent.
When it comes to the I,
So Ivan Michel Francis decided he go take a chance. He tell she I
is for Iman.
I am known internationally.
When it comes to the M
is
for malebo.
And I could help you financially.
Yeah, M is for malebo.
But when it come to the F, she say Ivan don't see no more. The I and the M is alright, but it's the F we are frightened for.
Cause when me see the F, all no mind I tell me say me have to left. Cause I wait till you so mama get me fresh. I'm up to the dance.
Check. Hey, do your Valentine's. Wait, Valentine's Day here.
Even though you're gone,
what?
You're still on my mind. I do care for you.
Care for you.
If you need me, you can call.
Upper to Women's Conference.
There in the blink of an eye.
Selecta Monkey.
Where we went wrong.
Welcome to the Men's Conference.
All I know.
In our honor of Solo. You are much welcome. DJ Miatan. Sibunti Killer. It's a men's conference.
But baby, if you need someone to run to,
I say someone to
reason with, I will be there. I give no fear. If you need finance,
yeah, tuko na selector Manucho. Wagon Manucho. Check. Yes.
Hey, dark skin girl, you me a call. When I love to have you close to me. When the rain a fall, lay you head up on my chest.
I'm
my black princess.
I got
to smile alone, make me know black woman are the best. Hey, chocolate skin. Sending this one
for the pretty girls.
to all my Jamaican.
For the Kenyan girls. The pretty girls. In a dish yard. I'm saying.
Hey, dark skin girl, you me a call. When I love to have you close to me. When the rain a fall, lay you head up on my chest. My black princess, you smile alone, make me know black woman are the best. Hey, chocolate skin, ever.
Where is Sandy?
Whenever this and you will never.
Hata kama mtu wako ni mweusi aje. Post tu.
Nothing's so beautiful.
Tutaongeza brightness ya simu.
Your love. Give me
your love.
My Jamaican.
Hata kama mtu wako ni mweusi. We post. Tutaongeza
nothing else. No, all I wanna do is be myself.
Little darling, what you say?
You're the mother
of creation tonight.
Beautiful girl.
What you do?
Give thanks for the blessing that you bring.
Yeah, riches rise.
Little darling.
You're the mother of creation tonight.
Beautiful girl.
Yeah, to all the mamas.
Thanks for the blessing that you bring.
The mothers of creation.
Look at the joy you bring.
We don't take it for granted.
Give me a new song to sing.
Ain't gonna.
To me, you're everything.
I be saying, ain't gonna let you go.
Never disrespect.
Yeah, the mysterious duo.
Never underestimate.
Wanauliza Ziggy alitoka wapi?
My happy hour. Can't tell you how much I love you so.
Wanauliza Ziggy alitoka wapi?
Darling.
Malebo alitoka wapi?
Of creation.
The mysterious duo.
Beautiful girl.
Yeah.
Thanks for the blessing that you bring.
Moki. Unauliza Ziggy alitoka wapi? Unauliza Malebo alitoka wapi?
Beautiful girl.
The mysterious duo.
For the blessing that you bring.
Check we.
Compliments to you
tonight.
For all the things you do.
MC4C.
Even through the storm and weather. Watch I put together.
The DJ. Let your exist.
Give my all to you.
Ain't gonna. Yeah, Manucho. Wagwan.
In any season, you give the reason to love me.
Little darling. Little. Yeah, the girl with the big campus. The little darling. Wewe kuna hii hapa basi. Ziggy. Sukembeze. Wewe kuna hii hapa. Your love is one of the. And I'm wanting you, girl, missing you.
Wanting you, girl. Since you gone, me got no one telling on. The picture in me head is me and you holding on. Love under the cover with some sweet love song. And I'm in his girlfriend, baby, and hold your hand. With you like to be the wife of brand.
A big tune is a big tune.
You know your love is
a big tune is a big tune. It's the Sasha.
And I'm
wanting you, girl, missing you, wanting you, girl.
Don't you know your love is
one of the Exhibit Tequila, let's
go. Wanting you, girl, missing you, wanting you, girl. Since you gone, me got no one telling on. The picture in me head is me and you holding on. Love under the cover with some sweet slow song. And I'm in his girlfriend, baby, and hold your hand. With you like
right to be the wife of Brandon here. Take your time and settle down because
yes, I don't know.
I don't like back and
I Sasha, check me.
Rush into this thing, then things will be wrong still.
I know.
You know I love you.
You one of them. And I'm wanting you, girl. I'm missing you. Yeah, we so.
Don't you know
yeah, we so.
So divine.
Yes, you take the music.
And I'm wanting you, girl. Missing you, wanting you, girl. Don't you know your love is one of a kind.
And I'm wanting you, girl. I'm missing you,
wanting you,
girl.
Since I got me got no one to lean on. The picture in me head is me and you holding on. Love under the cover with some sweet slow song.
Ziggy, yes.
I'm talking about the ghetto girl.
Ghetto.
Nobody takes her simple. Not because she's fine, you see her in
I'm just a ghetto girl.
Nobody takes her sister. Right now, would I take her autograph? You know this ghetto girl. Nobody takes her simple. Not because she's fine, you see her in prayer. This ghetto girl.
We ayodo
Takes her sister.
unasikia mdemo wa Faruk badala itisha maua anaitisha gorogoro mbili. Swali Faruk badala itishe maua kama baby girl anaitisha gorogoro mbili ya mahindi. Swali Faruk it's a ghetto.
Equal rights and justice for all. Rise and never fall. Tell them, say, boom. What they gonna do when
what
them them not true? Say what they gonna do, them get slow, yeah. Who do you think you are? We're living in a small world.
A small world.
As wicked as you think you are,
we're living in a
small world. Equal rights and justice for all. Rise and never fall. Tell them, say, boom. What they gonna do when none for them not true? Say what they gonna do.
Hey, pussy.
Yeah. Who do you think you are?
Who can madam? You gonna
as wicked as you think.
Who do you think you are?
We're living in a small.
Na madam wawili surely.
As bad as you think you are, we're living in a small world.
In a small world.
As tough as you think you are, we're living in a that one your name. Alright, that day will
come.
When I stand and see you.
Yeah, keep it on.
And the fire get.
That day will come.
They will come when they will try to escape and there will be nowhere to run. That day will
come
when I shall see their hands.
To gonna select a stepper.
And bullets and gun. That day will come when
Silver Sounds in a desire Ziggy, yes.
and the day I would love to see their face.
I got you.
For all those people they do to the human race and try to take things out of place, run away to space, shoot them in the ace. If you want a judgment, you are gonna get the taste. When them find out that them can't escape. Sadness they say.
Yeah, that day will come. Complete one. Ziggy.
Will come when I stand and see all those wicked men and the fire getting burned. That day will come when they will try to escape.
Bobo Shanti Edition. Nasema nani wana madam my youth.
Police are the easiest man to bribe. Police, them no have to see get to survive. Police, as we see them.
Monkey, unasalimiwa na Sandy. Anauliza who's your Valentine's. Oye Monkey. Monkey. Autaki troopers surely.
Black like a tar. Black I'm proud you have to
Hey champion, when you black no nakata.
Africa is the motherland because every black superstar.
Ziggy ni black.
Black I'm proud.
Ziggy nilikuambia aje.
Black like a tar.
Uyo mtu wako mweusi.
Africa is the motherland.
We mpost.
You know who you are. Them
say when you see black.
Tutaongeza brightness ya simu.
Them say nothing good never come.
So don't you worry.
Kick like us what? I say him too black, but my complexion me say me know.
Black like a tie.
I'm black to be proud.
Bobo Shanty edition.
I'm black to be proud.
Which is spicy. Black like a tie. Check Ziggy.
Black like a tie.
For the ladies. For the ladies. For the pretty girls.
No, I've never been someone shy until I seen your eyes.
Kwanza nikitema jaba.
Still I had to try.
I've never been shy.
Oh yes.
Let me
get my words right
and then approach you. Woman squeeze like a man is supposed to. You'll never have to cry.
No.
I know
everyone
can't relate
to when they find a special someone.
because she's royal.
Yeah.
Is so royal. And I
want her
Ziggy for the ladies. I never Ziggy nakuambia nikiwa jaba.
Natural beauty.
Confidence inakuwaga top. I've never been shy.
No, I've
never been someone shy. Kwanza nikiwa jaba.
Still I had to try. Yeah. Oh yes. Let me get my words right and then approach you. Woman, I'll treat you like a man is supposed to. You'll never have to cry. No.
I know
everyone
can't relate to when they find a
special someone.
Uko na mpoa
And she's royal.
ama uko poa?
So royal.
Mimi najionea uko poa.
I want her in my life. I never know anyone.
Ziggy, yes.
So one of a kind.
I told you so.
The way she moves to her own beat. I told she has the quality.
Wait, pussy.
Of a queen.
I told you so.
She's a queen.
Wewe ni ule ule.
You think she couldn't get over you?
Weke.
You think she couldn't move
Weka dance, weka dance.
You think she couldn't find someone to
Weka
release her
styler.
from her prison
To the
sentence?
left, to the right.
She's tired of being a
To the
prisoner.
left, to
She's
the
looking for a lover, not a warder. Someone to take her on dates.
Wale wa men's conference.
Someone to wine and
I told you so.
take her to the late night movies or to an elegant party where we'd be having fun.
Ziggy, wapi rhythm Ziggy.
Dance until morning comes.
Check, check, we.
I told you change was gonna come.
The mysterious duo. Check, we. I told you so. Tonight, she bado.
Some of them are holla, some are bad.
She bado. She said them, she did.
Some of them are holla, some are bad.
Yeah, some of them
Some
are
are blackbird.
Some
Some are walla in a mud. Some of them are holla, some are bad.
Where's Ziggy? Lebo, let's do it.
Chichi bado.
She bado.
Chichi bado.
Yeah, some of them are
holla, some are bad.
mysterious duo. She bado.
Some of them are holla, some are bad. Some are blackbird. Them are walla in a mud.
Some of them are
holla, some are bad.
Ziggy Jalsa, Jalsa.
Them are living in sin.
Some of them are
holla, some are bad.
we can dance.
No time to live.
We can dance.
Got to be your lover.
We can dance. We can dance.
Got what you require.
Yes, select us to lots of
Love and
excess.
happiness.
Lots of excess. Again. One is never enough. Each and every single Friday, Selector Ziggy, MC Malebo, the mysterious duo, a play.
No time to linger. Got to be your lover.
Yes, same rhythm,
Got what you require.
different artist.
Love and
Happy,
happiness.
so
Give me the answer for the question I ask.
yes, I wanna know.
No time to linger.
She bado,
It will surely last.
she bado.
You've got a crush on me.
I know.
Going crazy for me.
We monkey, kwani rada.
Obstacles standing in your way.
Nilikuambia kila siku jaba lazima itakuwa affect. Hebu jiangalie, ni Valentine's hauna mpoa. Historia jaba daily. There is no time. Tichigiala. Love and happiness.
Give me the answer for the question I ask. No time to linger.
Yeah, Lovers Edition. Watoto wadau days. Susikize doba shwali. Hauna mpoa. Iite mkutano hapo. Shwali Ziggy. Ziggy nilikuambia. Historia Jaba Daily. JDO, Jaba Daily officer. You are a JDO, a Jaba Daily officer. Story ya Jaba Daily. Saya unampoa. We skiza hii basi, some reading. I make the impossible possible. And if you were my girl, I watch it do. Yeah, MC Malibu, Ziggy, the DJ. Tuko na baseline Jevaro, Hasna Hashim, Select Agustino, Lajab Excess, Money International. Sasa Money International. Inadisha yada. Tuko na VJ Prince na respect. So put it na mikana, cause I'm my girl this tonight. I me say my girl this, I'm my girl this. So don't push yourself in a mikana, cause I'm my girl this, I'm my girl this. You just come on and leave it. Pia Lele ni mtoto. Well, we're getting familiar right now. Check we. Going the moon was right. Strolling under the moonlight, hoping that we could get out of sight. And while the entertainers Ziggy, there's a reward for everyone. So don't you worry. There's a reward for everyone. Ulikuja solo na utoke na mtu. Strangers in the night. Get out of sight. We Sandy, hapa mambo fanyika. Ulikuja solo na utoke na mtu. There's a reward for everyone. This Valentine's was meant to be. Only your love can set me free. I think I won the prize. From the very first time I look in your eyes, and your love would last forever. Pretty girl, it's a blessing to be with someone. Ziggy, what you mean now? Realize yeah. Ziggy Malibu, mysterious duo. Come on, yeah, Chris Martin.
Because you're right, you're my type.
You're my kind of girl.
Your teeth white, your smile bright, enough to brighten up this world. To be a prettier than any supermodel. Why you love no boy can't put a value. Because you're right, just my type. You're my kind of girl.
You're my kind of girl.
Sweeter than the morning view in cherry garden.
me the big bum. The girl with the big bum bums.
You a pretty rose.
You're my kind of girl.
Anything you want, my dear.
Anything you want.
Anytime you need me, I'll be
for the night. Each and every single day.
only for you.
Only for you.
You're right. You're my type.
You're my
kind of girl. Your teeth white. Your smile bright enough to brighten up this world. To be a prettier than any supermodel. But you love no boy can't put a value. I say you're right. You're my type. You're my kind
it's a jabba. Cause I'm a jabba farmer. The jabba farmer. Puti jabba. Tunapenda jabba. Ziggy. Call me a jabba farmer. Ziggy. Mysterious duo. Unauliza Ziggy alitoka wapi? The mysterious duo. That's what we say.
Yes, I'm a Jabba planter.
He called me the Jabba farmer.
Deep down in the farm.
Tunapenda jabba.
Babylon come and light it up on the fire, me chant.
Yes, we.
Yes, I'm a Jabba planter.
He called me the Jabba.
Deep down in the farm, and me plant Jabba. Babylon come.
Lakini jambe.
Big knock a helicopter flow to the air.
Shida ni gani?
To the boys now.
Sema tu kweli jambe. Mbona una mpoa leo? Na leo ni Valentine's.
Out of the sky wanna spit my fire.
Fungua roho.
I
know you're a Jabba lover. Because jambe. A Jabba lover. Kama unapenda jabba.
Babylon come and light it up on the fire, me chant.
Yes, I'm a
ganja planter.
He call
me the ganja farmer.
Come on.
He could be ganja. Babylon come and light it up on the fire, me chant.
I'm a ganja farmer. He call me the ganja
farmer.
Unapenda ganja.
Babylon come. Big stinking helicopter flow through the air. With them call it weed eater. Them never did it when me was out in water. Or when me did them flying.
Yes, Selector Ziggy, Malibu. Master wa master. Walbus. Wagwan.
Me dig up me stinking rocket launcher. And in the air this was the helicopter me a chant.
Some ganja
planter. Call me the ganja farmer.
Check. It's getting better. It's getting bigger. It's take it
easy. This is a Rootsman party.
It's a Rootsman party. I'm say, take it. This line, you follow. Take it easy. Everything nice, everything easy. Brothers and sisters.
Brothers and sisters are having fun. Everybody wearing a smile, taking it easy. Don't you be pushing and shoving around. We don't want no commotion, no way.
You got to take it easy. Hurry up and come.
Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. You know, sister Babylon done. I home is not in Babylon. Mount Zion is my home. And I say, any day from now, I didn't know.
One thing on Rasta man.
No more with
it's a Rasta calling.
Hurry up and come.
Hurry up and come.
Hurry up and come. You know, sister Babylon.
Ziggy ukiomba rudi. Si tunaomba udi. Wewe ukiomba mtoto arudi. Si tunaomba udi.
Even down here in
the four rings.
Japan straight over to China.
Unalia rudi shwali. Na si tunalilia udi.
Babylon, there's a disaster.
Swali Ziggy.
Well, I can't get no food.
You are a disgrace. Have you up and come?
Get up and
come, cast Babylon.
Hurry up and come.
Hurry up and come.
Hurry up and come.
Yeah, come down, Sayad.
Like a fallen leaf that fall into the stream.
Sugita master wa master.
So is a Babylon.
Master wa master.
Gonna wash them away.
Au master wenyu hao.
And for all the heathens.
Si ndio master wao.
Now them a go get.
Master wa master. Ziggy Malibu.
Get up and
come, cast Babylon. Get up and come.
Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Cast Babylon. Japan is spend week and keep side.
Where's Ziggy? No rush.
Don't matter what the oppressors do.
Take it easy, my DJ. So don't you hurry.
All trials and tribulations.
Be open, come.
So pack your little grip and come. Let's leave out of.
We lakini niko na swali.
Get up and come.
Ati hurry up and come. Ni kam gani hiyo?
Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come.
Ziggy, ni kam gani hiyo?
I hope it's not in Babylon. I never promised you.
I never promised. And now you're with the airlines back to London.
I never said I'd buy you wings. I never promised you a thing.
With the airlines
I'm not turning
back to London.
But I would put
No one above you.
And you will always know I care.
Hey, Jambe ni serious. Unaongelesha jaba.
You will let me love you.
Yani Jambe anaongelesha jaba.
Be there.
Ziggy. With the airlines, we taking off. You better buckle up. With the airlines back to London.
I never promised you romance.
Yani Jambe,
Never said that I would be
unaimbia jaba hii ngoma shwali.
learning.
Penyewe hii ni serious.
I never said I'd buy you wings.
Selecta Moki pia wewe.
Promised you a thing.
Unaimbia jaba hii ngoma.
Not turning.
Shwali Jambe. Moki.
But I would put no one
above
you. And you will always know I care. And not let you.
Check. Yes, tonight. Come get me tonight. Lover. Nasema. Ziggy. The mysterious duo. Ziggy Malibu. Each and every single Friday. Go to come dance Sayada. Everything nice. Lover. Lover.
Come get me tonight.
Sweet lover. What you do?
No fuss, no fight.
No fuss, no fight. Ziggy.
Come take me tonight.
Ziggy. Hapa watu wanaumia. Watu wanaumia hapa.
Come get me tonight.
Niliwaambia mambo hufanyika. Ulikuja solo. Mtoke wawili. Hapa mambo hufanyika. Sing with me, lover. It's a lover. Come get me. No fuss, no fight. Ziggy. Yes. We can dance. Why can't you understand? Uchumi ni mbaya. Tell me why.
No matter
Nobody think you can take me, push me
to the left,
Nobody think you can take me, turn me
and to the right.
Nobody think you can have me like a
Let's see.
I'm a serious man.
And I mess around with every girl in town. I don't mess around.
Heard you say, you see me in your hearing.
Yes, I heard you say.
What I wanna know, what does that have to do with you?
That's all I wanna know.
Do you think I'm easy like a pickup on Sound Street?
Yeah, Jamaican night. We can dance.
Nobody think you can take me, push me.
We can dance, we can dance.
Nobody think you can take me, turn me down. Nobody think you can have me like
Ziggy, Malibu. We done. We surely. Bona fanya hivi. Will this be? You're cheating on me.
But now I am glad.
I couldn't be the girl for me. You couldn't be the girl for me. What's a good trainer? Big tune is a big tune. We come again anytime. Anywhere. Yeah, master, oh master. We done, huh? Yeah, honey. Roho ni wewe inataka. Maisha inataka mbabas. Roho ni wewe inataka. Maisha inataka mamas. Tell me why I couldn't be the girl for me. You couldn't be the girl for me. Ziggy. Yeah, go to enjoy your time. Everything nice. Big up Ziggy.
Imagine Russia was a man,
And Malibu was a
and Lebanon
was a
woman.
and Israel was a man.
Think of Cuba as
Yeah, just imagine.
in love with pretty
Can you
when you turn your radio.
Hey, Jambi.
This is how the world used to song. Israel gone
To
into Lebanon,
where Russia going to
Afghanistan. China pull out to Vietnam. India pull out to Pakistan.
Zimbabwe pull up to Russia and Namibia.
Cuba beat up South Africa.
Good music.
Catching going into Angola.
I miss it. We can dance. Hey, Ziggy. Ongeza gia basi. Come kuja.
You're only 16 and you look like a queen of Sheba.
Hey, Swadi. You're only 16 and you
look like a queen of Esther.
Esther. I miss it. You not make my yeah, so I told you. Hey, she's only 16.
You're only 16 and you look like a queen from a mile.
Ziggy, she's only 16.
You're only 16 and you look like a queen on the Nile.
Na shule zikifungwa uchungu usifungwe. She's only 16. Shule zikifungwa chungu usifungwe. She's only 16.
You're only 16
But you're looking like her. Ziggy, what you mean? It's getting better tonight. Nasema yeah, Jamaican reggae, soulfa lounge. Dance with me, dance with me. Move your body, move your body, move your body, move your body. To the left, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the right. Move your body, move your body, move your body, move your body, move your body. Fire.
I have heard of a land on a faraway strand.
Tonight.
It's a beautiful home, I've there's so
Let me tell you something.
Built by Jesus' own hand.
This is a land
where we never
grow older. We never grow older. Yes, we never grow old. We never grow old. Where piano?
It's a land where we'll never grow old.
Where piano? This is a land.
Never grow old.
Where piano?
Never.
This is a land where we never grow older.
Land where
we never. Utapewa mwili mpya. Utapewa mabawa.
On our life crown.
So we peana.
Under charge.
This is a land. A promised land where we Selector Ziggy, MC Malebo, the mysterious duo. Master wa master.
Never grow old.
Wake a dancer. Move your body. Check. Yeah, tuko na DJ 500. 500. We Bang Belly. Kwani rada.
Woman, can't you see? I'm like a fish out of sea. Now that I'm on your shore, I need someone to comfort me. I've got to get your loving in the morning. I've got to get your loving in the night. Got to get your loving when I'm weary. I've got to get your loving when I'm right. Gotta get your loving, baby. Got to get your loving. Gotta get your kissing, darling. Got to get your
Check. Yeah, Ziggy, Malebo, soulfa. We Selector Monkey, skiza hapa. Kwani rada. We Monkey. Tusikize doba shwali. Amise. Yeah, Bizla Givaro. Inanisha yada la jump. Iseti. Amise. Tonight. It is a light. Yeah, the light. Amise cheesy. Yeah. She loves my bambi. Bambili. There's a light at the end of the tunnel. Attention, Amise. Yeah, tukuna hasna Hashim. Select Agostino there, DJ Prince, DJ Sharifa. Yeah, wagwana. Yeah, Bambili. The mysterious duo. So that was our humble time. The mysterious duo. Unauliza Ziggy alitoka wapi? Unauliza Malebo alitoka wapi? The mysterious duo. You never know. You say yeah, master wa master. Entertainment. We coming through. Tonight, Amise. Yeah, Ziggy Malebo sending out. Ziggy Malebo.